Conserve water while keeping your ride spotless. Discover these 10 smart strategies for an eco-friendly car wash that doesn't compromise on cleanliness. Tip 1. Bucket method. Opt for a bucket and sponge instead of a hose. This reduces water wastage by allowing precise application and controlling the amount used. Tip 2. Pre-rinse with spray. Use a spray bottle for pre-rinsing. This targets dirt without excess water, saving gallons during the initial cleaning phase. Tip 3. Waterless Wash. Try Waterless car wash products for minimal water consumption. They clean and protect without needing gallons to get the job done. Tip 4. Choose the right time. Wash your car when the weather is cooler, like early morning or late evening, reducing evaporation and water waste. Tip 5. High pressure nozzle. Attach a high pressure nozzle to the hose for efficient rinsing. This enhances cleaning power with less water use. Tip 6. Biodegradable Products. Choose eco-friendly, biodegradable cleaning solutions. They minimize environmental impact while giving your car a sparkling finish. Tip 7. Reuse rinse water. Capture rinse water in a bucket for reuse during subsequent washes. This smart approach conserves water over time. Tip 8. Microfiber Drying. Use a microfiber cloth for drying. It's more absorbent, reducing the need for excessive wiping and saving water in the process. Tip 9. Frequent maintenance. Wash your car regularly to prevent dirt buildup, making each wash quicker and using less water overall. Tip 10. Water-saving car washes. Choose professional car wash facilities with water-saving technologies that recycle and reuse water effectively. By incorporating these water-saving tips, you can have a pristine car while treading lightly on the environment. Join the eco-conscious movement for efficient and sustainable car washing. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to HT Auto for more exciting automotive content. Until next time, drive safe.